കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിൻ്റെ പാർട്ട് 3 ആണിത്. നമുക്ക് ഇനി പാർട്ട് 3 51 തൊട്ട് 75 വരെയാണ്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ 15, the method of moment estimator for theta in a uniform distribution over minus theta theta with sample mean 10 and sample variance 4 is option A 2√3, option B 24, option C 10 and option D 0. Correct answer option A 2√3. Next question number 52. A consistent estimator of theta square in a Poisson distribution with the parameter theta is option A square of sample mean, option B sample mean, option C sample variance, option D sample mean sample variance. Correct answer option A square of sample mean. Question 53. The degrees of freedom associated to error sum of squares in one-way ANOVA having n observations and k treatments is option A n-1, option B k-1, option C n-k and option D k plus 1. Correct answer is option C n-k. Question number 54. The sum of all two-digit numbers formed using the digits 1, 2, 3 and 4 if each digit is used exactly once is option A 110, option B 284, option C 330 and option D none of these. Correct answer is option C 330. Question 55. The moment generating function m of t of a random variable x exists at option A any real value of t, option B t equal to 0, option C neighborhood of 0 and option D deleted neighborhood of 0. Correct answer option C neighborhood of 0. Next question 56. If x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta with r greater than 0, 0 less than theta less than pi by 2, then dx dy is option A r square dr d theta, option B theta dr d theta, option C dr d theta and option D r d theta. Option D r dr d theta. Correct answer option D r dr d theta. Question 57. The characteristic function of a standard normal variate is option A e raised to minus t square by 2, option B e raised to t square by 2, option C e raised to minus mod t by 2, option D minus 1. 1. Correct answer option A e raised to minus t square by 2. Question 58. Francis Galton is pioneered in the study of option A biometry, option B genetics, option C regression, option D correlation. Correct answer option C regression. Question 59. The correlation coefficient of the bivariate data 110, 29, 38 and 47 is option A 1, option B -1, option C 0.6, option D none of these. Correct answer option B -1. Question number 60. Let R of xy equal to 0.8. Then the explained variation in y due to x is option A 80%, option B 64%, option C 81%, option D 70%. Answer is option B 64%. Question 61. If both regression coefficients are positive, then their sum is always option A greater than or equal to 1, option B lies between 1 and 2, option C greater than or equal to 2, option D none of these. Correct answer option D none of these. Question 62. The line of best fit can be obtained by the principle of option A least squares, option B moments, option C mixed moments and option D minimum chi-square. Correct answer option A least squares. The line of best fit can be obtained by the principle of least squares. Question 63. The coefficient of determination is the square of. The coefficient of determination is the square of option A r, option B 1 minus r, option C 1 plus r, and option D 1 minus r by 1 plus r. 1 minus r by 1 plus r. Correct answer option A r. The coefficient of determination is the square of r. Question 64. If r of xy equal to 0.6, then r of minus x plus 3 by 2, y minus 5 by 8 is option A minus 1, option B minus 0.6, option C plus 0.6 and option D 0.36. Correct answer option B minus 0.6. Question 65. Probable error is used to test option A observed correlation coefficient, option B regression coefficients, option C rank correlation, option D consistency. Correct answer option A observed correlation coefficient. Question 66. Let x be the number of success follow B of NP Then the distribution of failures follow. Option A, B of NB. Option B, B of N 1 minus B. Option C, B of 2N 1 minus B. Option D, none of these. Correct answer option B, B of N 1 minus B. Question 67. Let X follows binomial distribution NB is positively skewed if option A, P less than 1 by 2, option B, P greater than 1 by 2, option C, P equal to 1 by 2, and option D, 0 less than P less than 1. Correct answer option A, P less than 1 by 2. Let X follows B of NB is positively skewed if P less than 1 by 2. Question 68. Correlation coefficient between the number of successes and failures in B of NB is option A 1, option B minus 1, option C 0, option D none of these. Correct answer option B minus 1. Question 69. Let X follows B of NB and define Y equal to X minus NB by root of NPQ. Then variance of Y is option A NBQ, option B Q by P square, option C 1, option D P square by 2. Correct answer option C 1. Question 70. If X and Y are two independent Poisson variables with parameters 2 and 3 respectively, and let U equal to X plus Y, then P of U equal to 0 is option A e raised to minus 5, option B e raised to minus 3, option C e raised to minus 2, option D e raised to minus 2 plus e raised to minus 3. Correct answer option A e raised to minus 5. Question 71. Referring to question 50, E of X by U equal to 3 is E of X given U equal to 3 is option A minus 1, option B 2 by 3, option C 5 by 3, option D 6 by 5. Correct answer option D 6 by 5. Question 72. Limit n tends to infinity 1 minus s square by n square is A e raised to minus x, B e raised to x, C minus 1, D none of these. Correct answer option D none of these. Question 73. Which of the following statement about V of NB is always true? A. It is under-dispaced. B. It is over-dispaced. C. Neither option 1 nor option 2. D. Both options 1 and 2 depend on. Correct answer option A. It is under-dispersed. Question 74. If X follows n of 10 sigma square equal to 4, then standard deviation of AX is A 2A, B 4A, C 2A square, D none of these. Correct answer option D none of these. Question 75. If x follows u of 0, 1, then variance of 1 minus x is a 1 by 12, b 1 by 6, c 1 by 2, d 1 by 4. Correct answer a equal to 1 by 12. നെക്സ്റ്റ് പാഠം അടുത്ത ദിവസം വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും. താങ്ക് യു.